Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I have an SUI update. So previously I have done SUI update. So the last prediction is playing exactly as I predicted. Okay. So if you had followed that, now you are in a huge gain. So I'll explain what are the scenarios that I told you in the last video. Okay. And let's go to the live chart right now. So currently these are the data. Okay. These are the data that I used in last video. So let's hop on to 4 hour time frame, then let's see what I told in the previous video. Okay, so when market was here, okay, when the market was in this period, okay, in this period, I bought your video, okay, and I spotted this ascending triangle. Okay, so if you had followed the instruction, so the scenario that I told you is if the market, if the price, okay, if the price holds above this key level, okay, this green and red line, then we can expect a higher price targets, okay, for this $3.7. Okay, and I told you we can have the drop from this $3.75. We will talk about that in a while. Okay, so if you have taken this trade here, if you have taken a trade here, now we are in a huge gain about 42% without leverage. Okay, so it's a huge gain in this coin. So let's see whether I have told in the previous video or not, and let's go to the previous video. So you see that we have a good support level here. Okay, so since the market has broke up, so we can consider it as a support level. Okay, so this is like a ascending triangle. Okay, it's like a ascending triangle. You can see. So as you see here, we can see a support in this area, and you can see a resistance in this area, which confirms that this is a ascending triangle. Okay, so it has broke to the upside. Now I'm expecting a, if you trade according to the pattern, I'm expecting a pullback and for a higher price target. Okay, so guys, we have seen the last video, so there's no need to argue. So market is playing exactly as I predicted. Not only this move, but also this when market was here in this place, I have told dump is expected to this 0.61 level. So that also played out in the last video. I mentioned that. So let's see what are the new things that are spot in the market, not the new ideas. Okay, so if you take according to the elite wave, so I have explained you earlier. So now we are in a 1 to third wave. Okay, so this we can consider as a second wave. Okay, this one we can consider as a second wave. So the minimum target for the third wave was $9. So in the previous video I have mentioned that. So if you take a look here, it's about $10, almost $10 here. Okay, so this is the minimum amount that can be reached. So if the third wave is extended, we can see for $24 price. Okay, we can see for $24 per coin. Okay, if only the third is extended. Okay, and let's keep this aside. Okay, let's go for retail side. Okay, right now. So if you take according to the retail side here, okay, I have drawn some key levels here. Okay, I'll explain you why. So if you go to the daily chart here, you can see the price mitigations and noises around this place, right? You can see here, okay, this level as well, okay, and this level. Okay, so these are the levels in the daily chart. So let's go to the 4 hour. In the 4 hour, you can see it clearly, the price noises in these levels. Okay, you can see it clearly here. If you trade according to the breakout here, so now the price broke this $3.75. Okay, so and also you can see that we have this descending trend line. Okay, and we have this pattern here. Okay, we have a symmetrical pattern here. Okay, symmetrical triangle pattern. It broke to the upside. It has broke to the upside. So if it make a retest, okay, if it make a pullback, it could be between this $3.75 and $3.49, and we can have some bounce from here. Okay, So if you are entering long position, you can enter in this 3.75 and 3.49 price level. So it can be, so this triangle has broken, right? So it can be a retest as well. Okay, you can make a pattern like this, a bull flag, okay, or a falling wedge, okay, or a symmetrical triangle here. Okay, could make like this. So watch for the markets and watch for the price actions here in this level. So if you're entering now, it's a bit risky because it has overbought here right now. If you're entering, this will be a good place for you. Okay, 3.7 and 3.49 level. And the targets that I have mentioned before, this 9.8 level will be a target. Okay, and let's hope for good things to happen. So I'll end up the video here. So if I spot anything new in this market, I'll bring you another video. So until then, stay tuned guys, and see you all.